There are also some other tax forms that you may encounter while you prepare your taxes. The first one is Form 843, which is for FICA taxes. But what are FICA taxes? If you're in the U.S. aged 65 or older and need assistance with medical bills, FICA taxes can assist you with that. But as a non-resident international student, there's a chance you may not stay in the U.S. until the age of 65 to benefit from this. And for that reason, the general rule is that if you are on a J1 or F1 visa, you are exempt from paying FICA taxes. In many cases, however, your employers may not be aware of your tax position, and they may treat you the same as residents who pay FICA taxes. Therefore, we advise checking your W-2. If there is a section on your W-2 that states FICA or Social Security or Medicare, and taxes are withheld, and you are on an F1 or J1 visa, then you should ask your employer for a refund. But if your employer is not willing to issue that tax refund, you should submit your FICA tax return through SprintTax via Form 843, as you are entitled to get a full refund on all of those withheld FICA taxes. The next tax form is the W-7, which is used for ITIN applications. ITIN stands for Individual Taxpayer Identification Number and is generally required by individuals who received taxable income but are not eligible for a Social Security number. It's most common among scholarship recipients. In terms of the application process, use Form W-7 and it can be applied before filing the tax return. Moving on, we have Tax Form 1098-T. This is the #1 form misfiled every year from non-residents. The 1098-T tax form only applies to residents and is used to claim a tax credit of $1,000 for education. In some cases, students may visit websites that prepare taxes for residents. They are required to receive Form 1098-T and will receive the $1,000 tax credit. But as a non-resident, you are not eligible to receive this benefit. And if the IRS discovers that you claimed this tax credit, not only will they ask you to return the $1,000, but they could also apply fees, penalties, and interest accrual on that repayment. Be extremely cautious about this. This form is not relevant for tax non-residents, and it only applies for residents. So be mindful you do not submit the form.